right, good Friday morning. Thanks for logging on, and welcome to Iowa Storm Center here. We're taking a look at the next pulse of snow that's coming in later on tonight and into your Saturday. So as we look at the forecast radar later on tonight, I think we will stay dry until around midnight when we start working in some light rain showers possibly across our southwestern counties, gradually changing over to snow as you get into Saturday morning here. And you can see a lot of areas here from west to central Iowa. You're likely getting a form of snow. As you live closer up there in north central Iowa towards that high pressure, you're likely getting probably just some flurries out of this. And then as you get into 9 a.m. here, you can see places like Sioux City, Des Moines, and even down there towards Davenport, you're probably getting in on that snow, especially into southwestern Iowa. We pull it through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and there's one or two things can happen here. This model keeps the snow in here a little bit longer tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. You get into about 5-6 p.m. and the snow slowly begins to exit. Again, the entire time, ridge of high pressure off to the north, which is going to provide dry air on the northern edge, which will lead to a sharp cutoff. The second option that can happen here is by early tomorrow afternoon, we can already be cutting off the snow across west and eventually into central Iowa by tomorrow afternoon. And then by tomorrow night, the system exits. As we look at the temperatures throughout the event here, this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're talking 20s to the north, and we're even talking places down here across southwest Iowa where it's snowing at this current time above freezing. So that will be a big change in terms of accumulation here. And as we get into around noon tomorrow, a lot of areas going to be around or above freezing. We go through the afternoon, we're actually going to warm temperatures up here into the middle upper 30s across west and central Iowa. So as we look at our snowfall model here, thinking generally a trace to 2 inches of snow, generally from central to southern Iowa. It does get back up there towards Sioux City, but again, very sharp cutoff that we will see here on our northern edge because of that dry air to the north. As always, stay tuned to Iowa Storm Center.